Happy Thursday, last day. All right. We're going to do what we've been starting with, and that's going to be rhyming. Thumbs up if it rhymes. All right. Hill while. Thumbs down, that's correct. Yell well. Thumbs up is correct. Wide hide. Thumbs up, that is correct. All right, last one. Sail tail. Thumbs up is correct. All right, moving on. I'm going to say two words that begin with the same sound or onset, and I want you to come up with three. Map, name. Very good. Rope, rock. Very good. Buy, bike. Last one, wipe, walk. Very good. All right. Now I'm going to break apart a word and you're going to have to put it back together. Ready? Ing. Spinning. Very good. Ing. Sweeping. Very good. Last one. Ing. Grading. Very good. All right, now you're going to break apart the word that I say. Packing. Very good. Packing. Mopping. Very good. Mopping. Last one, posing. Posing. Very good. All right. Now I'm going to say a word and I would like for you to repeat it. Locking. Now add k to the beginning. Very good. Clocking. Ringing. Now add sp to the beginning. Spinning. Very good. Rating. Now add g to the beginning. Grading. Very good. All right, that is it. Next week you will have a new teacher.